Good morning, everybody. Clock is 6 in the morning and I have been up in a half an hour's time, so that's 5:30. Let's get to work. Finally done. The clock is 9, which means I have used about 2.5 hours over here to clean, which is fine. But now I want to go home and take a shower. No, I'm not going to take a shower. I'm going to go out and dig those trees down like I promised myself yesterday I wanted to do, but I didn't do it because I ended up doing montage and listen to an audiobook. Typical. So I'm going to go home and dig those down, and then I'm going to go and take a shower. I'm stupid. I didn't think. Lucky for me, I didn't go out and do something. The fact is, I need deck from cars. The rubber from the wheels the cars go on, and I need 4 of those, and I need one from one of the bigger ones the farmers use on the tractors. I need at least one of those, or maybe 2, before I can do anything with digging things down. Hi, Kiki. So I cannot even go out and dig those trees down. Problems. Well, I'll have to sort that next week instead. So I'll have to move that out of the way. Which means I need to fix cat litter, vacuum, and take the last of the dishes. And then I need to do montage. That's the work for today. Freshly washed. And I'm gonna eat my breakfast / lunch because it is almost 11:15. I'm gonna eat that, and I'm taking another chapter in my audiobook, and then I'm gonna continue with the montage. The fact is, guys, that the reason I'm in bed halfly covered by my comforter is actually because I am freezing my feet. That's also why I am totally clothed. I was not planning on sleeping. I was planning on get the heat back to my feet. But a little kitty cat here wants to talk, or chat, or get cuddly. Oh. Are you done? Are you done? I should have known that would happen. Clock is 4 right now. And last I talked to you guys, the clock was 10 minutes past 1 or something like that. Yeah, and I don't have to tell you what happened, do I? I guess I was awake about 15 to 20 minutes. So that's 1:30, 2:30, 3. That's 2.5 hours of sleep. I must have needed it because I was gone by that. There was nothing. There was no warning about dozing off slowly. I was just gone. So I must have needed it. That will also explain why I was freezing my feet like that, because that's usually also a sign on my body that I am tired and sleepy and should go to bed. Because then I'll start freezing and I can't get the heat back to my body. Which means I should really take my foot off on, I don't know, my indoor shoes on to make sure I stay warm. So that was an entire afternoon wasted. However you will see it, but I do need to get on my work here, so let's grab something to snack on and let's get this montage started. I forgot I probably should stock up on some drinking for the next couple of late nights. And I realized I didn't have anything to keep me awake, so I just went down and bought something, and then I got the sweetest tooth for Chinese. So I thought, alright, I can work that chicken, rice, and that sweet and sour sauce. Yeah, they had the chicken and the rice, but the sweet and sour sauce is out, and she's probably not getting it anymore. Which means the only place I can get that in a neighboring town or in Skive. Why? There's no wonder I'm stopping shopping down there, because he's taking everything out that I would like to buy. In our local grocery shop. But I'm gonna watch Brian's vlog and then it's back to montage. And for those who doesn't know, the clock is 5 minutes past 5. And I do not need to be at work by 6 or 7 tomorrow morning, so I can sleep a little bit in if that's what I want to do. Mew has found her new favorite spot in that basket. Yes, you have. I was just about to start filming her when she jumped out of it. I managed to take about 300 videos. About 300. It's a good chunk. I'm feeling good about it. We're under the 1,000. I'm on a roll. But I have to end the vlog. The clock is 6:45 and I want this vlog up. So good night guys. And I'll see you tomorrow as usual.